Hello everyone, welcome to Code Test Management. So today I am going to show you how to connect the NVIDIA models with your OpenCode and VS Code. So first of all, you need to open your build.nvidia.com. So if you have not created your account, you have to create your account through your Gmail or any other IDs. And when your account will be ready, so here you can see this much options are there, like explore models, scales, blueprints, GPUs, docs. So here basically in the model section you can see all the models are there. So you can see these are downloadable, free endpoint, downloadable, free endpoint. So according to your use you can uh, use that particular model. So here I have basically used the Nemotron, which is a very popular model. So I have used this one, the Nemotron-3 Ultra 550B, A55B. So I'm just copying it and pasting it here to find it quickly. So here this one, it is, okay. So if you will open that one particularly, so you can get a by default code actually. So here Python version is there, LangChain is there, Node is there, Shell is there, everything is there. So first of all, you can copy that code and according to like on top of that, you can customize it. So you can copy it. So here basically the API key will be generated here. So I'm not gonna use that one, just showing you. So you can create here the generate API key and the API key will be generated here. You can copy that one and you can place it in your secure place. Otherwise, you can create the API keys from here also. You can create the API key, like generate the API key, and you can give your particular name of the API key, and you can give the expirations. So you can say it as 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, 24 hours, 12 hours, 1 hour, never expire. Custom time also you can set. So in that way, your API key generation will be completed. Okay. Now I'm just opening the VS Code. So here just see, I have created one virtual environment. So how I have created that one? So I have created one folder in my particular path. So then there I have created I have passed the command as that uh, and operator. Then this particular path you need to give. Then dot .venv and here inside the VNV, like you have to create first the virtual environment. If you will find it out like how to create your virtual environment from Google, it will be fine. If you will not able to find out, you can comment below. Okay, I will guide you. So virtual environment you can create and you can activate that one. Here you can see this virtual environment is there and inside that script is there. And here the activate.ps1 is already there. So when you will run it, so the virtual environment will be activated and you can run your Python file here. So after that, I have created also the .env file where I have kept that API key whatever I have created. So that I'm not going to show you. So then you can create your uh, functions and all. So here actually I have given the directory path, like from where you it need to fetch the API key. Okay. And here the API key, like you can see os.environment .get the NV API key. So that is the variable where I have assigned the value as the API key. Okay, these are the printing statements for just debugging purpose, nothing more than that. And here actually the particular model is. So here the model I have used, I have told you the Nemotron-3 Ultra 550B A55B from the NVIDIA. And here you can pass the messages. So you can set your role. I have set the role as user and content you can pass. So I have passed like tell me about Messi's career. temperature, max tokens, extra body. These are the particular uh, parts of any LLM model. So you can set accordingly, like whatever the use case is. So then you can see that one is there already. Okay. If you want to know more about that, you can also comment. I will definitely guide you. And the main part is here. You can see the base URL of that also. I have given that https integrate.api.nvidia.com version 1. From where you will get that? You will get that from here only. See, here the base URL already provided and API key you can directly pass in your code. But for security purpose, you can keep it in a secure.env file and you can give there and make it as .git ignore. Otherwise, you will commit that one and it will be problematic for you. Okay. So don't commit your secure API key to any repo. Okay. Just remember about it. So in that way, actually, so I'm just showing you how the output is generating. So here I have printed one message first, the starting app.py, the last one I'm just showing you. So see, it's the start app.py. Okay. Then the user, I have asked for what? Tell me about Messi's career. So it's thinking now. The user wants to an overview of Lionel Messi's career. And after that, it actually creating one plan, proper plan. See, I need it to structure this chronologically and thematically. Okay. So it is giving the response. Let me increase the size. Okay. You can see now properly, I think. So you can see that it's properly planning step by step. Like I need to structure this chronologically and thematically. Early life of Lionel Messi, Barcelona senior debut and rise, peak years, individual accolades, then international career struggles, then Copa America, World Cup wins, PSG move, Inter Miami or MLS move, legacy playing style. So see like how detailing it is. Like it's a very good model. So early life of Lionel Messi, it has been provided. Then FC Barcelona, the proper timing also provided. The Pep Guardiola era. After that, the MSN era records, the captain and decline of the institutions. All the things has been provided. Okay. So whatever message you will pass here, according to that, you will get a proper perfect result. So in that way, you can connect your API key with that VS Code and you can generate whatever you want. Okay, that is one part. Next part, I will show you how to connect your API key with your OpenCode. Okay, so now before you have to download the OpenCode as well. Okay, so before OpenCode download, you have to check that Node and NPM already installed in your system or not. So if you have not installed it, you can go to the any browser. You can search like Node installation, NPM installations. You can install from there as well. And if it will be installed, you can check the versions. Like for me, the Node version is 24.15.0, and for NPM, the version is 1.1.0. Then I am installing the OpenCode AI from the npm package. So npm space I space hyphen G space OpenCode hyphen AI. If we'll do that, the packages will be added. Here I'm just getting the notifications that one update versions of npm already came. My version is 11.1.0. Okay, not this 1.1. It is, I think, 11 it is there. Anyway, whatever it is. So to update it like to 12.0.2, as actually you will able to see the proper number. But for me, actually, one green line is there. That's why just before of this one, all things are covered. Anyway, So after that OpenCode installed and OpenCode version, you can check the proper versions. It is present here. Okay. So after that, what I have done, so I have created one folder. So in my if drives, I have created my code tab and there my projects actually I'm created. Then you can copy that one. Okay, copy the path and always open your PowerShell in administrative mode. Okay, so run as administrator. Otherwise, you may face some issues, like some access issues you can face. Other than that, it's okay. So, that is the another page. I'm just going to that particular location, and there you have to type open code simply. The open code will be open here. Let it be opened. So yeah, so here you need to connect your API key. So just do/connect to call that one. You are using NVIDIA model, so just search NVIDIA. Here you will paste the API key. If it will be not pasted, then you have to type it manually. I'm not typing right now as I have typed many times as paste option was not working for me. So you can type there, then one option will come up. After that, your particular open code UI will be opened. So I'm just showing you how the page it is. So it is like that only. So it will be opened like that. I gave a lot of work to OpenCode today. You can interact with that OpenCode in very user-friendly way. It's very easy to use. So first of all, I just gave the prompt like hi. It gave me the response like hi, how can I help you today? So then I have just asked to create a professional portfolio website for code staff management and run it. So I think you have watched my agentic AI playlist. So if you have not you have not watched it, so you can go to that agentic AI playlist and can view those videos. Okay, it will give you the a good foundational knowledge about the agentic AI. So and also I have covered the agentic AI framework as well. Like what are the for agentic AI framework, like what are the architectures in large systems or enterprise systems follow. So that actually I have covered already. So here, like I have given the prompt here, and then it actually found the goal that it need to create one portfolio website for code tab management. So it's planning. So it's created one plan. See, to-dos is there. So here it is present like create a professional portfolio website. So first of all, that need to create one index.html with all the sections, create styles.css with modern professional design, create the script.js for interactions, run the website with Python, HTTP server. So first of all, it really after thinking, it really created the index.html. It's wrote about that. So then it will create the style.css. See the second one, like create the style.css with modern professional design. It then created lots of code. Okay. Next, the third step is create a script.js for interactions. So it also created that. and finally like run the website with Python HTTP server. So it ran it as well. See, it ran the URI HTTP localhost 8000. Okay, and it got good result 200. Okay, response. So here it is like it also acknowledging that uh, done the professional portfolio website for code tab management is now running at HTTP localhost 8000. So it gave the notification to me. Then created files, whatever files has been created, index.html, styles.css, and script.js, so that you can see here these three files has been created properly. Okay. Now, the features include responsive design, a mobile, tablet, or desktop view, smooth scroll navigation with active link highlighting, then project filtering by category, web, mobile, IMM, cloud, animated stat counters on scroll, contact form with validation. So these are done. So let's go to there. So I have searched that one as well. So see, our portfolio website page is ready. The home page is not so much good, but here only see custom development and cloud architecture. What it is not able to see. But about us empowering business through technology, then the services part is quite good. Web development, mobile application, AI, machine learning. See, I have not given any good prompt. I have just instructed to prepare the website. I have not instructed like how to build it. If I will give that prompt properly, then it can build the website promptly and in a proper manner. But as an initial stage through one line, it's building. It's great. So yeah, so portfolio generations, then contact, full name, email address, company, project budget. So that page I'm liking. That is good. Then email, call us, visit us. Okay. Then it gave all the icons. Okay. Now services here, if you will click that, it will come to here. So it's responsive. So awesome it is, like almost good. And if I will prepare that with the proper React.js, I will give the prompt. It will give a good result. So see, I think it's helpful for you. You can also explore it. Like how can you connect the NVIDIA models? You can use the API key. You can generate the API key freely. Okay. So yeah, you can explore it. And we are already continuing our agentic AI playlist and system design playlist. So hope you will like it. So just give thumbs up, do like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends, colleagues, everyone, so that I will get some motivations to build more such videos, both theoretical and practical. Okay. So that's all, everyone. Bye for today.